I just wanted to point out a few things about your Chrome browser. First of all, when you log into your Chrome browser, which as you know looks like this one here in the bottom corner, Google Chrome, and when you log in, you're allowed to change the background, and to do that you go to the upper right hand corner and you go to settings, and you'll see some choices for appearance and themes. So if you want to change your theme, you can look at hundreds of them, literally, and browse through, pick the one that you want, select it, and then that can become your theme when you log into Chrome. Now, when you're in your Chrome browser, you can add these things called Chrome apps. And the way that you get new Chrome apps is to go to the store. And I'll go there in just a second, but I want to show you that once you add them to your Chrome browser, then they'll appear. You can have pages of them, and they'll appear whenever you log into your Chrome browser on whatever device you're on. So it just makes it a little more convenient to get places. So you'll see that I have an app for Gmail, I have an app for Google Docs, I have an app for Google Drive. It just helps me get to places more quickly. I also have an app here for Schoology, so that way it's a lot easier than just typing that in every time, Schoology.com. But when you go to the store, it's a little shopping bag here, and you can find different categories to search: popular, education, by school level, and you can just search if you know what you're looking for, or you can just browse and see all the different ones that they have. But there's quite a few different ones. Most of them are free, and to activate one of them, all you need to do is find the one that you want, click on it. This is one on Human Anatomy, and it'll say add it, Human Anatomy Atlas, so add. And you'll see it appears here in my list of apps. So this is a great way to find some things to add. All your students will be able to do this because it works. The Chrome browser, works on either PC or Mac. For instance, this one is an equation editor, which you could use with your students. And if you're teaching math and you need to add some equations, you'll see up here it gives you lots of choices, and these things can be used, saved, shared, and your students would all have them. So there's lots of ways you can add different things that might be helpful for your content area and also for your productivity. There's lots of different ones here. So these are the apps found in the Chrome Web Store.